Hello, my name is June and I represent Edeltime Solar, and today we're going to talk about our top 5 reasons why you shouldn't work with us. You ready? Let's do it. Reason number 1, we are too pedantic. Everybody knows it can be tough to work with perfectionists. Unfortunately, we're quality focused. We like to pay attention to details and work very thoroughly. That's why we want to meet your standards and exceed your expectations. Reason number 2, we tend to be a little clingy. At the next given moment, we will want to agree on a date with you, to discuss the offer personally and take measurements, of course. But that won't be the only time you'll see us. If necessary, we'll also accompany you to do important documents such as the subsidium or firma digital, which would be your digital signature. And I'll have to admit, even after we're done with the installation, we'll still might give you a call to check up on you. Reason number 3, we won't even give you a chance to practice your Spanish. Vous parlez français? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? We work with many experts from different nations who speak various languages to ensure that you understand absolutely everything. And just like that, you'll have one headache less, because we know how much simpler it can be to get matters like this done in your own language. Reason number 4, we're too ambitious. If we can, we do. We desire to see your installations running and working just as soon as you do. We understand that time is the most valuable resource existing. That's why we won't waste yours and use ours wisely. So what does that mean for you? That means while you're signing the contract, we're already preparing the materials that you can expect within 5 to 7 days to arrive at your doorstep. After that, you can expect the installation to be worked upon within 2 to 3 days, and within 1 to 2 days, your installation is completely done. Reason number 5, we aren't sales-oriented actually. In fact, we're actually customer-oriented. That's right. We're focused on providing you with excellent service, creating offers that match you in your home, and building the installation of your dreams. Our sales managers are ready to nitpick and go through every detail with you in order to guarantee that you're satisfied with your offer. Quality over quantity. I think that's about everything. Whew, feels so good to be honest. But let me share with you why clients actually do work with us. Because they trust us. Trust us because we work with well-known manufacturers. They trust us because we have all materials always accessible in our inventory. Panels, batteries, inverter, cables, you name it, we got it. They trust us because they've heard from their friends, family and acquaintances that we work professionally. So as you can see, we are a total nightmare to work with, so don't call us on this number and don't subscribe. Although I would love to see you next time. That's it for today. Have a good one.